So last month, Canva announced that a brand new interface is going to be hitting very soon. If you don't have it now, you will have it soon. But what I like about this brand new design is that it makes the process of creating an image with AI that much easier. So to do this, you'll log into Canva, and the first thing that you should see is Canva AI. Now, if you don't see this right now, don't worry. Canva will be rolling this out to 100% of its customers very soon. But what I like about this is from this menu, you can easily create your own image, and Canva will use AI to create it. All right, so I'm going to choose this one, create an image. And from here, I can select the style that I want. So I'll just say maybe cinematic, the aspect ratio. I'm just going to keep it this way. But this is the fun part. I'll get to describe the image that I want Canva to create. All right, so I'm going to say create an image of a giant gorilla fighting a giant lizard on a building in the streets of New York City while cars and people flee the scenes. So I'm going to click next. And Canva is going to try its best to create that image for me. If I scroll down below, you can see some of the options that are right over here. Now, again, if this is something that I like, I can just easily download this photo. Just like that. As you can see, that's now downloading to my downloads folder on my computer. But I also have the ability to edit that photo. So I can just take like this one and I can select edit. And now it's going to bring this directly into a design inside Canva. And from here, this is where I have some of those awesome photo editing options. So again, you can see Magic Studio. I have a number of different videos that shows how to use these, but there's several different tools that you can use. Now, you'll notice right over here that it does say that these are premium features. So if you're using the free version of Canva, you probably will not have access to this particular version. But what I like about these tools is something like this. This is Magic Eraser. You'll tend to find that when you create AI images, there's things that don't really make sense in your images. So for example, here's this person running. It looks okay, but you can see there's just something underneath here. So I'm just going to go ahead and erase these random feet. This person altogether does not look so great, so I'm just going to delete that person. Of course, you can find other things in here, I'm sure, but just for demonstration, I'm going to leave this the way it is. I'm going to select erase, and Canva should erase those images. There we go. Now, as you can see, this one doesn't really look too bad, but now we've got a random shadow here, and this car is not really looking so good, so I'm just going to try to clean this up a little bit more. Now let me go ahead and try to erase this. All right, there we go. That's there. And of course, I could continue if I wanted to. I can see that there's some parts of that car which are still there. But this is the gist. This is a brand new feature, like I said, in Canva that will be rolling out very soon. I'm hoping that it allows you, your students, or whoever else to create images using AI and then to bring them into your Canva designs to edit.